Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove phone number from Google account safely. So all you have to do is to open your Google Chrome right here, and then you have to simply type here Google account or google.com, and then you have to click this profile beside this nine dots and then look for the specific account that you're looking for. After that, you have to click this Manage Google Account. And then under Manage Google Account, you have to click this Personal Information or Personal Info. Then you have to scroll down here till you see this contact information. You will see here your email address and the phone that you have added. So click your number and then here you will see this. This phone number has been added to your Google account. So in order for you to remove this, just simply tap the number or the specific number if you have tons of numbers right here. And then you will see this delete icon. So all you have to do is to click this one. And then what you're going to do here is you have to confirm that it's you who's using your account or who's making some changes in your Google account at this very moment. So click continue. And then after that, you will need to use your screen lock or enter your password. And then after that, you will see this delete your phone again. So click this delete icon or this trash bin icon, and then they will ask you if you want to really remove this, just tap remove a number. So after that, your phone number on your Google account has been removed safely. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.